friends! Today we are going to learn how to draw a ladder. Easy for kids. Are you ready? Let's grab our black marker and start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the two long sides of our ladder. Make one tall vertical line on the left and another tall vertical line on the right. Great job! These are the ladder's sides. Now let's draw the steps. We will draw 5 horizontal bars in between the two tall lines. Wow! Our ladder is already looking amazing! At the bottom, let's draw the ground so the ladder stands on something. Now add some little grasses popping out of the ground. Beautiful! Nice job, everyone! Our ladder drawing is complete! Now, take your marker and make the outline bold and sharp. This helps our artwork pop and look super cool. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Yay! It's coloring time! Let's show our color pens. While coloring, say the color names. Chocolate color.
Wow!
Brown color. Light brown color. Golden color. Green color. Yellow color. Cream color. Amazing coloring, everyone! You did such a great job today! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun drawing videos on Toddlers Art Hub.
Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool, a ladder. So grab your black marker and let's get started. First, let's draw a big upside-down U shape for the main part of our ladder. Now, let's make it 3D. Add another curved line next to it so it looks thick and strong. Next, let's draw the steps. Start with 3 rectangles across the ladder. Make sure each step looks 3D by adding a sideline to the rectangles. Draw the first rectangle near the top. Draw the second one in the middle. Draw the third one at the bottom. It looks like you can climb them. Now, finish the U shape at the bottom. ladder is looking awesome already. To make our ladder stand properly, let's draw 2 more stands behind the main ladder. These stands are slightly angled and give the ladder balance. Let's take our black marker again and make all the outlines bold and sharp. This will make the artwork stand out and look amazing. Look! Our ladder is ready, and it looks like it's working.
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our ladder bright and colorful. Purple color. Indigo color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Blue color.
La 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 la.
Green color. Yellow color.
La 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 la.
Orange color.
Ha ha! Yay!
Red color. Wow, look at our colorful ladder. It's so bright and fun. Great job, everyone. You did an amazing job drawing and coloring the ladder. Don't forget to share your artwork with your family and friends. Thanks for drawing with me today on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.